دیدین شما؟
One of 13 species of dolphin found in Australian waters and one of 37 species found worldwide. They are found in environments such as this one, rivers, harbours, estuaries, right around the coastlines of Australia and New Zealand and up around the Indian and Pacific Oceans. Hence they're named the Indo-Pacific bottlenose dolphin. Nice little pod here, could be upwards of 6 dolphins. You can see they're not disturbed by our presence here.
دارم میاد نزدیک اینجا.
We're in the area where the dolphins are. They're very familiar with the vessels as well.
ایوه میشناسن این زشتی رو میبینم میاد.
Off the front and left-hand sides of the vessel here at the moment. Beautiful pod here. Thinking I might have seen a couple of smaller sized dolphins in the group, so they could be juveniles, maybe not newborn calves, but perhaps some young ones in the group here.
بزرگ هم هستن. اون نفس میکشه از بالا.